You know, I'm all about hope for people that don't have it. It really touched me, man, when you said your goal with this was to give somebody a chance who wouldn't get a chance.
It's about serving students and people that need rebirth, personal rebirth through vocation. Who of us has not fallen short?
Can I make it? Do I have the value? Am I important enough?
Can I resurrect my professional life after what I've had in my past? You can.
Giving a guy a chance to get out, live a meaningful life, provide for his family, and be able to hold his head up high.
During the week, from Monday through Thursday, day shift, night shift, midnight shift, we're always there to serve the student. You guys are going to be walking down an aisle with graduation caps on, and we're going to do everything we can do to make sure that happens.